साथीहरु नमस्कार, म अमित गौली हजुरहरूलाई हाम्रो युट्युब च्यानलमा हार्दिक स्वागत गर्न चाहन्छु। साथीहरु आजको भिडियो अलिकति फरक धारको रहेको छ। फरक यस अर्थमा कि अहिलेको नेपालको जुन जल्दोबल्दो परिस्थिति रहेको छ त्यस धारबाट अलिकति छुटिएर आजको भिडियो रहेको छ। आजको भिडियोमा हामीले बलिउड सुपरस्टारहरूले, बलिउड अभिनेताहरूले नेपालको बारेमा के सोच्दा रहेछन्, उनीहरूले नेपालको बारेमा समग्र के धारणा राख्दा रहेछन् र उनीहरूले आफ्नो चलचित्र रिलिज हुने बेलामा नेपाललाई कसरी सम्बोधन गर्दा रहेछन् भन्ने पनि यो भिडियोमा देखाइएको छ। यो भिडियोमा हजुरहरूले आमिर खानदेखि लिएर ऋतिक रोशन, रितेश देशमुख, विवेक ओबरोयदेखि लिएर सुस्मिता सेन र अन्य धेरै कलाकारहरूले नेपालको बारेमा पस्केको धारणा हेर्न सक्नुहुनेछ। यसै पनि नेपालमा भारतीय चलचित्र धेरै हेरिने गर्दछ। नेपालमा भारतीय चलचित्रहरूको धेरै नै ठुलो व्यापार र व्यवसाय हुने गर्दछ र करोडौँ रुपियाँ नेपालबाट भारतमा भारतीय चलचित्रको माध्यमबाट भारतमा भित्रिने पनि गर्दछ। हुन त पछिल्लो समयमा नेपाली चलचित्रहरूले पनि भारतीय चलचित्रलाई अलिकति प्रतिस्पर्धा दिन सफल भएका थिए, तैपनि अझै पनि भारतीय चलचित्रको बजार नेपालमा बलियो रहेको छ, पकड बलियो रहेको छ। के भन्छन् त भारतीय चलचित्र कर्मीहरू नेपालको बारेमा? आउनुहोस् हाम्रो यो भिडियो आज सुरु गरौँ, भिडियो प्ले गरौँ।
Hello Nepal, मैं रोहन भटनागर, ऋतिक रोशन. I want to thank you all for all the love and support you have given my film Kabil. If you have not seen it yet, please do go and watch it at a theatre near you. I hope you like the film. I hope you enjoy the film.
ऋतिक रोशन,
All my love to you. Thank you.
नमस्ते, के कस्ता हुन्छ तिमी? रितेश, आफ्ताब और विवेक और हम प्रमोट कर रहे हैं इस वक्त ग्रैंड मस्ती।
एग्जैक्टली जो भी विवेक ने कहा।
बिल्कुल कॉपी कार्बन पेस्ट।
Nepal, we love you. Please come and see Grand Masti and you're going to have a fantastic time. Darshana Arts and Paradigm Pictures लेके आ रहे हैं आपके लिए हमारी तरफ से ग्रैंड मस्ती।
ग्रैंड मस्ती एक ऐसी फिल्म है जहां पर आपको बहुत ज्यादा मस्ती और वो भी ग्रैंड तरीके से देखने को मिलेगी। ये 3 किरदार इस फिल्म में हैं जिनकी शादी हो चुकी है और आप समझ सकते हैं कि शादी के बाद जब बीवी ज्यादा ध्यान नहीं देती तो अक्सर पतिदेव जो होते हैं वो बाहर की औरतों पर ज्यादा ध्यान देते हैं और उसी ध्यान पर आधारित ये एक फिल्म है।
बिल्कुल, जिसका नाम है ग्रैंड मस्ती।
धेरै मीठो फिल्म छ।
एग्जैक्टली जो विवेक ने कहा वही
कॉपी कट पेस्ट इन 3 times.
Alright, so we love you, Nepal.
Please watch the film. We love you and we want to come to Nepal also.
Fantastic.
Yes.
If you make Grand Masti a big hit, all 3 of us will come to Kathmandu to see you.
For sure.
And in every way, emotionally as well. So if we want the future of Nepal to be healthy and bright, then the investment towards that has to begin at birth. The investment towards that has to begin from the time that the child is conceived in the womb of the mother.
Sir, smile. ये है Mr. Sunil Thapa, an extremely accomplished actor in Nepal. We are very honored to have sir with us. Sir, आपका सवाल है?
जी
हो गया?
सर पूछ रहे हैं।
अभी तो पूछ लो ना मुझसे, कितना स्माइल करोगे?
प्लीज
हो गया? पूछ लो सवाल में।
सवाल क्या है, पूछो।
सुनील सर, मेरा सवाल आपसे ये है कि बॉक्सिंग आपने थोड़ी बहुत तो पहले की थी, लेकिन इस फिल्म में आपको बॉक्सिंग सिखानी थी, वो भी एक ओलंपिक चैंपियन को। तो यू हैड टू लर्न अ लॉट ऑफ बॉक्सिंग, यू हैड टू योरसेल्फ, आपको सीखना पड़ा। तो वो एक्सपीरियंस आपके लिए कैसा था?
वेल, गुड इवनिंग एवरीबॉडी। इट वाज आई वाज वेरी फॉर्चुनेट दैट आई हैड अ boxer like Priyanka Chopra because I thought I really would be one up on her in this sports field because I've been a sportsman all my life before. But then seeing her do the training and fighting and sparring with me, Jesus Christ, her punches were really very hard. Believe me. And during the shoot also, I remember there's something called tennis elbow. But there's something known as golfer's elbow also. And when we are doing the fights, I mean, when I was training you, I remember I had this golfer's elbow, and for 15-20 days, I was with the plaster, but I enjoyed it. And she made me look like a complete coach. And that was the beauty of the thing, and I enjoyed having Priyanka Chopra do the Mary Kom. I'm a very great fan of MC Mary Kom, and congratulations, ma'am. And I'm waiting for you to take part in the Asian Games, which has been delayed.
Let's wish Mary
so
all the
I'm
luck,
sure
gentlemen.
you're going to get medal and make us proud, and then don't be surprised because I'm sure Umang sir is going to come out with Mary Kom 2.
Really? Really? Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Sunil sir.
And it's a pleasure to be here. I was in the 8th standard, so I must have been around 14 because I failed once in the 6th. So I must have been 14 when I came to Nepal for a school trip. And I was very small, I was very young at that time. But even at that time, when I saw the history, the culture of Nepal, and it amazed me. I had come by bus to Calcutta, and then from there through the Rexall border we had all come in. It was a 4-day journey to reach Kathmandu, and I was only here for 3 days, so I was more traveling than I was actually I stayed here. That was my experience of Kathmandu and Nepal. Then life went on, and we started working. I passed for my school and college, and myself, Jordi, and Adil have been doing events and shows for the past 12 years now. We've covered the world. We've done US, Canada, Australia, Hong Kong, and we've repeatedly been going to these places every couple of years with whenever there's new songs from Bollywood or a new actor generation comes in. But I can say this very honestly, that after years of working and experience and traveling, when we got Nepal on our agenda, I was the most excited. Because it is something that is, I genuinely consider that you have to, and you must, and the people that you're most connected to.
Share some words. I don't know, I think I would like to ask you a question because I don't know if you know, since Miss Nepal has started since 1994, the year that you were crowned. No, I didn't know that. Crowned Miss Universe. And since then, I know for a fact that everybody has logged onto YouTube, looked at your finale, question and answer, and tried to sort of, put it in their words. And so every time we do our training, like, be like Shushmita Sen, that grace, that glamour, that personality that you have. So what would you like to say to all our Nepali girls? You saw how crazy they were. Like, I thought they would faint. So even
no, it was very emotional. You're so right. All of them met me backstage and were screaming and shouting and full of enthusiasm. No, I think most beautiful thing about being a woman itself is the fact that you accept yourself the way you are. We often think that big eyes and high cheekbones and everything is the idea of beauty. There was a time in India when we also believed that light eyes and fair was the idea of beauty. But I want to tell all the Nepalese women watching this, beautiful is what beautiful does. And as long as you accept that, you don't need me, you don't need anybody else to tell you how to be beautiful. You just have to feel it. God has made you a woman for a reason. And yeah, it's big pressure when you see my YouTube video, because remember, that was an 18-year-old girl many, many years ago. The world is changing, so must you. Your level of confidence should be of today's times. It should not be emulating anybody else, because we're different. We're born to be different. But thank you for all the love. It's been really infectious. I cannot tell you, very, very contagious to have so much of love coming from Nepalese women to me directly. But thank you for that lovely question.
Thank you.
But what a coincidence that 1994 is when Miss Nepal started.
Yes.
Wow.
अन्त इभिनिङमा ड्याडहरू बस्थ्यो नि क्लब्समा अन्त हामीले पर्फर्म गर्नुहुन्थ्यो त्यति बेला धेरै नेपाली सङ्ग्स मुसु मुसु हाँसी बेहुलालाई ल्याऊ मुसु मुसु हाँसी यो माया मारिदेऊ है यस्तै थियो एउटा त यही थियो म त ऊ लौरीको ड्राइभर लौरी त्यो ट्रक ड्राइभर मसित जान्छौ कि जाँदैन अन्त केटीले भन्छ तिमीसित गयो भने लुगा धुनु पर्ला तिमीसित गयो भने लुगा धुनु पर्ला अन्त फेरि केटाले भने छँदैछ अरे छँदैछ सेन्ट्रलको धोबी मसित अन्त फेरि उसले भन्छ तिमीसित गयो भने घाममा बस्नु पर्ला, तिमीसित गयो भने घाममा बस्नु पर्ला, अरे लगाइदिउँला, अरे लगाइदिउँला फोल्डिङको छाता जान्दैन, त्यस्तो टोपी लगाएर है। अन्त मेरो सिस्टर चाहिँ अल टाइम केटा हुन्थ्यो, अन्त म चाहिँ केटी।
साँच्चै तपाईँ केटी हुनुभयो। यो केटी आज दार्जिलिङमा शान्त ट्रक ड्राइभरको त्यो एउटा गीतमा नाच्ने केटी आज भोलि ठुलो एउटा स्टार भएर चाहिँ बसिरहेको छ है।
बहुत अच्छा रहा, प्रेम रहा। और दूसरा ही बात ये है कि हम नेपाल इंडस्ट्री से बहुत प्यार हो गया। हम अभी यहाँ पे बहुत सारा फिल्म बनाना चाहता है, क्योंकि मैं खुद प्रोड्यूसर भी हूँ। तो अभी हम सोच रहा था कि इस इंडस्ट्री को कैसे बढ़ाने का आगे। यहाँ इंडस्ट्री में टैलेंट बहुत है, लेकिन फाइनेंस और कोई फिल्म बनाने के लिए स्कोप नहीं है। तो भोजपुरी को यहाँ से जोड़ देंगे ना, तो बहुत हमको लगता है कि बहुत फायदा होगा। और इंडिया के लिए बनाने के लिए बहुत चीप जगह है, सस्ता हो जाएगा। भोजपुरी बजट में हम बड़ा फिल्म बना सकते हैं कम बजट।
जब से मैंने वो फिल्म देखी थी हरे राम हरे कृष्णा, जहाँ देव साहब आके और जीनत जी ने नेपाल में शूटिंग की थी, तब से मेरे जहन में था कि इतना खूबसूरत देश और इतना नजदीक, और मुझे कभी मौका नहीं मिला आने के लिए। सो इट वॉज ऑलवेज अ डिलाइट and it was always my Nepal had intrigue for me because it was so beautiful that I always wanted to visit. I would like to thank the Association of Nepal Gem and Jewelry. While I was coming on flight just now, I saw the pilot announce that you are crossing there in the distance you can see Mount Everest. I said, okay, maybe I'll never climb Mount Everest, but this is the closest that I can get. So that for me was excitement on its own. And I think usse zyada मैं कहूँगी, I am not a Buddhist, but Lord Buddha is someone who is very, very close to, I think, maximum amount of Indians' heart, and now globally, whether you say Japan or you say China or you say their religion has become Buddhism. And I am so proud to say that it took birth here in Nepal. So I think that is the most glorious thing and the most pious thing for me. I've already made my full program as to, I will not be able to go to Lumpini, I think, but definitely the best Buddhist temple here is on my agenda to go and visit and pay my respects. And more than that, I again would like to say that Nepal has been a country which is not only close to every Indian's heart, but truly it carries our culture and our traditions forward globally. And that is the reason that I am here today, to promote Nepal's culture, jewelry and the traditions ahead in the whole world, so that the world sits up and recognizes it for its true worth that it is.
साथीहरु, भिडियो हजुरले हेरिसक्नु भयो होला, कस्तो लाग्यो? भारतीय कलाकारहरूले नेपालको बारेमा राम्रै कुरा गरिरहेका थिए। नेपाललाई सुन्दर, शान्त र राम्रा भलाद्मी गुणी जनताहरू भएको देश भनेर नेपाललाई व्याख्या गरे। त्यस्तै रविना टन्डनले बुद्धवाज बनिन् नेपाल भनेर पनि भनिन् र त्यो कुरा सत्य पनि रहेको हो। र अरू भारतीय कलाकारहरूले पनि आफ्नो धारणा नेपालप्रति राखेका छन्। भारतीय चलचित्रहरूलाई हामीले माया गर्छौँ, त्यस्तै गरेर हामीले नेपाली चलचित्रहरूलाई पनि माया गर्छौँ। यो मनोरञ्जनको क्षेत्र भनेको कुनै धर्म, संस्कृति, जात जाति, वेशभूषा र कुनै सिमानाले निर्धारण गर्ने कुरा होइन। मनोरञ्जनको क्षेत्र, मनोरञ्जन भनेको जुन कुनाको मान्छेले जुनसुकै कुनाको क्षेत्रको मनोरञ्जन लिएर आफ्नो जिन्दगीलाई हाँसी खुसी बिताउन सक्ने एउटा अधिकार राख्दछ। मनोरञ्जन भनेको मान्छेको इच्छा, मान्छेको आकांक्षा र मान्छेको जुन मनको मर्म बुझाउने खालको हुनुपर्दछ। त्यसै मनोरञ्जनले खाली हाँसो मात्र होइन कि एउटा नकारात्मकताले भरिएको, द्वेष रागले भरिएको मानिसलाई चाहिँ एउटा पखालेर शुद्ध बनाएर एकदमै सकारात्मक सोच र भलाद्मी र एउटा गुणी मानिसको रूपमा पनि ल्याउन सक्यो भने मनोरञ्जनको अझै सार्थकता रहनेछ। गरेर मात्रै एउटा ब्रेनलेस कमेडी हुनुभन्दा अलिकति सन्देशमूलक मनोरञ्जन हुन पनि जरुरी रहेको छ। साथीहरूलाई आजको भिडियो कस्तो लाग्यो? आजको भिडियो मन परेको भए हाम्रो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्न नबिर्सनु होला, साथसाथै घन्टी पनि दबाउन नबिर्सनु होला। साथसाथै यो भिडियोलाई लाइक, कमेन्ट र शेयर गर्न पनि नबिर्सनु होला। हाम्रो च्यानललाई यसरी नै माया गर्दै अगाडि बढाइदिनु हुनेछ भन्ने विश्वास राख्दछु। आजको भिडियोबाट बिदा चाहन्छु। हजुरको दिन शुभ रहोस्, स्वस्थ रहनुहोस्। धन्यवाद।